kaya, kapag meron tayong gustong malaman na mas malawak, kailangan mag-debate. Alam ba ng ating mga speakers na magde-debate sila ngayon? Parang ganun no? May one side and the other side. May rebuttal, baka may rebuttal ka. So, sa totoo lang, ewan ko, akala ko nga makikita ko dito si Senator Orbos kasi nandito akala ko ka-debate ito. So, anyway, it looks like we are all very interested where there are contrasting views, where there are opposing views, and not only that, where there are views which are controverted or to which we are opposed, and then magkakaroon ng mga fireworks. I think that's what we expect today, some fireworks. The discussion for today, I don't know who you expect the fireworks to come from. But you know, kung hindi lang ako pilay ngayon, makikisama ako dyan. Ang title ng ating diskusyon, Surveying the Financial Affairs Policy of the University of the Philippines. It sounds so boring. Diba? It sounds like there's going to be a discussion of so many studies and numbers, which I know you all love, which we in the College of Law don't. That's why we went to law. And I guess it's just to be informed of all of those numbers. Apparently not. Apparently not. From where I sat when the organizers were trying to figure out how to bring me down here, it looks like many of those who are here today are interested in finding out, ako ba ay makakapagpatuloy mag-aral sa UP na walang binabayaran? Or pwede bang bawasan? Or may kinalaman ba ang aking pagpasok sa UP sa binabayad ko? And all that. And many more, as a matter of fact. So I am not really sure if at the end of the day, we want to reach a conclusion. Maybe not, and we should not. That is so unacademic as our organizers have said. I am not, may I be informed if we have a timer here? Anong mangyayari pag lumampas sila sa oras na electrocute o gano'n? O ano pala to, hindi ka lang. Tapos na. Baka pa tayo niya. Hindi, okay. Alright. Ako magsasabi kung kailangan i-pull yung ano. So, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Meron daw tayong dalawang sides. I am not really sure what the first side is. We are not going to treat this like a debate, although our speakers may act like debaters. It's all up to them, and I think that's what you want to hear. Yes? Everybody loves to hear debaters. In the College of Law, the more popular activity is mooting. But nobody likes to know what the meaning of mooting is because it sounds so moot. We are going to start with one side, and we are literally going to call it a side. I don't think by now we have formed an opinion whether this side is pro or anti, and I'm not so sure if we're referring specifically and only to STPAC. Are we? Kailangan natin ng mga parameters. But this is not a debate, so we don't have any parameter setting. We don't have any specific items to prove or issues to make sure are proven.